Hey you guys, it's Liz and I'm back with another tutorial. So this is going to be a Christmas inspired set, but I'm going to be using Snowflake stickers that you can purchase on our website. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching.
For the first step, I'm going to start with a thin layer of base coat, which will help my nail color stay longer without chipping. Go ahead and cure that in your lamp for 30 seconds and keep your base coat pretty thin. Next, I'm going to use a Mccart gel polish in the color Sky Blue and cure that in my lamp for another 30 seconds. Repeat this step twice to get a smooth, even layer of color. Quick pro tip here, you guys. If you end up messing up your gel polish, use a brush and dip it in some acetone to clean up any edges that you might have squeezed out. If you're not a fan of hand-drawn nail art, nail decals are a super quick and easy way to get cute decorative nails. I'm using the nail decals from the Snatched and Blushed collection, and I'm placing them down onto my nails with a fine tweezer. I've decided to go a little extra with my nails today, so I'm using the Mccart rhinestone glue to add some bling. The Mccart rhinestone glue is one of the most handy nail glues to have on hand for every nail tech and nail lover out there because it's so strong. Your nail bling will last for weeks and it's super easy to use. By the way, if you struggle with picking up rhinestones, use a wax pen. It makes picking up rhinestones super easy and doesn't damage the rhinestone or take away its shine. For my middle finger, I designed a little cluster of rhinestones to help this accent nail and cured it in my lamp for 30 seconds. For my pointer finger, I kept it pretty simple and did some cuticle bling and cured it also for another 30 seconds. Finally, for my pinky, I replicated the same kind of look and finished off my set. Cuticle Bling is one of my favorite ways to decorate my nails because it polishes off the look and can hide away any mistakes near the cuticles in case my polygel or gel polish work wasn't as perfect. Finally, I sealed everything in with my Makartt glossy top coat and filed away any edges from the nail tips underneath to perfect my nail set. When filing nails after gel polish application, make sure you are very gentle with the nail file and try using a finer grit to keep the edges super clean.
And that was the final look, you guys. This was such an easy tutorial to do. And I also added a little bit of bling because you guys know I love my bling, especially when it comes to simple sets. I like this set because it is a Christmas vibe kind of nail look, but without being too like over the top, because I know a lot of people don't like that, especially me. I like holiday sets, but I like them very simple and plain, I guess you could say. So if you guys are like me, then this video is for you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye.